Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make yet another one of my favorite crock-pot meals, salsa chicken. The ingredients you will need are fresh or frozen chicken breasts, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 16-ounce jar of salsa, 1 8-ounce package of any type of shredded cheese you'd like. I also chose to use slow cooker crock pot liners to minimize the mess. You're going to want to insert your crock pot liner if you choose to use one. Put on gloves if you choose to use them. I did because working with chicken is messy. Open your bag of chicken and add it to the crock pot, and then set your crock pot either on high if you don't have a whole lot of time for approximately 4 hours, or you can also do it on low for 6 hours if you have more time. I chose to do it on high because I didn't have a whole lot of time. So making sure your crock pot's on high, set your timer for 4 hours, cover it, and leave it. After 4 hours, you want to shred your chicken, which I have already done. Add your salsa, being careful because those jars can be hard to open. Add your block of cream cheese. Thawed preferably. Forgive my wording, but I meant room temperature. To make it room temperature, you can leave it out for the duration of the chicken's cooking time, which is what I decided to do. After adding your cream cheese, you're going to want to add your shredded cheese if you chose to use it. I think it makes the recipe fantastic. Cover it and turn your crock pot down to low for approximately 1 to 2 hours. Stirring occasionally in between those 1 to 2 hours. After everything is heated through, you're going to want to take your tortillas, if you choose to use them. You can either use this recipe as taco filling or just eat it by itself. If you decide to use it as taco filling, fill your tacos as you normally would and add your toppings. Fold and enjoy.